So hello everyone. So this question is called min stack, and min stack is the day 10 question for the 30-day lead coding challenge. And for this question, they want us to design a stack data structure that allow us to do like push, pop, and top. So push is basically push element X onto the stack and also retrieving the minimum element in constant time. And so we need to implement like this four function: push, pop, top, and get min. And get min retrieve the minimum element in the stack. But basically it's the same as like pick. It's not going to remove that element. When you call like get min, it's not going to remove the minimum value from the stack. It's just like return the value. And pop, it will remove like the top of the stack. So let's see. So if we have like the input like this, the output will be this explanation. So first you initialize the stack, then you push -2, and then you look at, and then you push 0, and then you push -3, and then you call get min. So -3 is like the smallest one between like this three number. And then you pop, so you pop -3 and you pop 0, and get min is -2. So like for this, for this, I already have my answer. Let me delete this. So this three part is easy, in my opinion. Push, pop, and top. Top here is similar to peak. That's what I got. That's what I was taught in school. But here they said top and get min. So this three is easy to implement, but this is a little bit hard. You need to think. So let's go ahead and like create this three. I implement this three function. So first, yeah, we want to create the stack. So let's call self.stack. It's equal to an array. So the array is empty. And every time we push, we just append it to the stack. And whenever we pop it, we just pop it. So pop doesn't return anything. And this is, so you want to return the top one. So the top stack, what we can do, you can do stack and then -1 like this. I'm not sure if it's going to give me an error if the, so what if the user want to call top when there is nothing in the stack? Yeah, I need to learn how to call like error. And what else? Get min. So get min is like a tricky one. Get min. We need to find some sort of way like to keep track of minimum value. So like the easiest way, what we can do is so let's say that we have like all this number, like, so what we can do is like create another stacks that keep track of like what is the minimum for that value, like for that index. So for this is -2, and this would be -2. This would be -6. And this would be -6 because up until that point, -6 is the minimum value. Here is -6. Here is also -6. So when the user pop something, it's just like pop both stack. That's like one way of doing that. But doing that will require us n space complexity, and it's O1 for lookup. So let's implement it that way. So self.min stack is equal to here, and when we push, so if the length of min stack is empty, we want to append x as well. So we will add it no matter what. So every time we want to update the min stack, we just need to look at the new value, and also like the previous current min. It's like in this case, in order to add this value, we need to check is one smaller than -6. If one is less than -6, we want to put -6. We want to put the minimum of those two in right there. So what we want to do is we want to else self dot min stack dot append is equal to the minimum of those two numbers x and self dot min stack -1, and get min is just return the min. Like this. And when we pop, we also want to pop the min as well. Top will give the top value of the stack, and pop will pop from the stack, return nothing. And here when we push it to the stack no matter what. However, if the stack is empty, we want to append x. If the stack is not empty, if the min stack is not empty, we want to figure out the two smallest. Alright, I think it should work. That's fine. Line 13. Spell stack incorrectly. In stack object have no attribute stack min. What? Alright, looks good. Accepted. So like the key point of this question is we need to understand that we can use like an external memory like to keep track of our like current minimum. That's like the key of the lesson learned. Anyway, I think that's about it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.